Hi, it's Anthony from CarPlayLife.com, and if you're looking for an elegant way to store and mount your 4th generation Amazon Echo Dot, I have a new wall socket mount from Maxonar. So keep watching for my review. So today we're looking at the Maxonar wall socket mount for the Amazon Echo Dot 4th Gen smart speaker. This is a cheap yet elegant solution to mounting your Echo Dot onto the wall socket whilst hiding its wall adapter and power cable all inside the actual mount itself. In the box you get the mount itself. It's a single piece of molded plastic that comes in black or white colour to best suit where it will be plugged into around your home. Installation is super easy. You take the Echo Dot itself, position it inside the round cup of the mount with the controls facing away from it. You then insert the power plug into the Echo, which also helps fix the Echo Dot in place. Then coil the power cable into the compartment at the back of the mount. Once you have most of the cable coiled inside the mount, you insert the wall adapter into the cavity of the mount. That completes the installation. You then simply find a wall socket and place the whole mount with the Echo attached onto the wall and use the Echo Dot as you would have been doing before. There are a few benefits of using a mount like this. The most immediately obvious is that it keeps all the loose power cables together and hidden inside the actual mount. This allows you to attach the Echo Dot directly into the wall socket and allows you to save space and maybe give your Echo a more discreet position in your home. The way the Echo is positioned in this mount helps improve the sound performance a little bit. Also, if you have the speaker lower down on a low wall socket, I found that it improves the bass of the speaker a little too. None of the microphones are blocked on this mount, and the light underneath the Echo is still allowed to shine onto the wall surface behind the mount. If you have your Echo on a kitchen countertop, this mount allows you to free up the space by positioning the speaker onto the kitchen wall socket instead. For me, I would have liked to have been able to mount the speaker above the wall socket rather than below it. Unfortunately, our power sockets in the UK limit this ability, but if you don't mind modifying the mount a little bit, I found that you could probably drill a hole at the top of the mount, and that will allow you to rotate the adapter and have the cable come out of the mount itself. In use, I found the mount to be very stable. The way the speaker adapter and cable is inserted into the mount reassures me that the speaker or adapter will not come away from the wall socket anytime soon from any knocks or vibration from the loudspeaker. I don't know how well this mount might perform in the EU or for US sockets with the overall weight of the Echo cable and mount case and adapter all hanging off the 2 pin plugs that you have. I think the Maxonar has a different mount design for these particular sockets types though. The length of the mount measures just under 20 centimeters, so you have to bear this in mind if you plan on attaching it to a wall socket where there might be a desk or countertop surface immediately below it. With the Echo attached, the whole mount and the Echo measures roughly about 10 centimeters or 4 inches in depth from the wall. So if you were to position this in the hallway, this size might stick out too much for you, and it might be prone to being knocked into when passed by it. The Maxonar Echo Dot mount retails for £12 from Amazon, and you can check out the links to buy them in the description below. I think it's a nice looking mount that keeps everything well contained inside it, and it allows you to position the speaker in a way that just simply helps save on desk space whilst improving on its overall sound performance too. Alright, I hope you found this video helpful. If it has, please consider hitting that like button and let me know in the comments what you think of this Amazon Echo Dot mount. If you want to watch any more of my home tech reviews, you can check out my playlist here. Hit that subscribe button down below to catch all my future content, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers. Bye.